Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the chapter The Hack Driver, and this chapter has been taken from your supplementary book Footprints, and this is the 8th chapter of supplementary, and it has been written by Sinclair Lewis, and this is a very beautiful chapter. The Hack Driver. Hack means car. Driver. Hack means the driver of a car. The story begins with that a narrator is a Sinclair Lewis. He was working in a law firm. When as soon as he just completed his law, so that time he just joined a law firm, and he was there working as a junior assistant there, and he was not satisfied with his job because he had to go to serve someone in the city. So that's why, and sometimes he was beaten up there, and sometimes he had to face the road, the muddy road he had to face it there. And after that, one day he became very happy because he got a summon for the New Millions. New Millions, it was the outside of the city. So he was very happy. First time he got an opportunity to just went there in a New Millions. When he went there and summoned for the Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins was the eyewitness of a case. So he went there by train, and as soon as he just reached the station, he just get a delivery boy, and the age of that delivery boy was a 40-year, and he said that his name was Bill or Magnus. So he just started to tell him Bill, and Bill asked him what was the purpose to come here. He said that I came here to serve someone to Oliver Lutkins. And after that, Bill said that he has seen that Oliver Lutkins an hour ago, and after that he offered his help to search the Oliver Lutkins. But there was one condition, that Bill said that in place of that narrator, he would ask Oliver Lutkins, and after that began to search Oliver Lutkins. First he went, means Bill, he was also the car driver, means the hack driver, he was there, and he also, the narrator bargained with that. He said that each hour he would take $2 for the hack. And after that, when the bargaining settled, Bill was ready to help him. And after that began to serve Oliver Lutkins. First, Bill went to that Fred's house. Bill thought that Oliver Lutkins went to there to playing a card. As soon as the both reached there, Fred said that he went to that Gustav house. Gustav was a barber. He went there, but Gustav said that maybe he has been here, but now he went to that maybe in the Gray's house. He is also a barber because he did not pay to Gustav, so that's why maybe he went to that Gray's shop for saving. And after that, when he did not find here, so what they decided to just went to that pool room, maybe he find Oliver Lutkins there, but they did not find, and it become afternoon, and they become very angry. Both of Bill and the narrator both become hungry. So what they decided that to take a lunch at the Wets Hill, and they talked a lot. Bill said that my wife would serve you a excellent lunch with $50, and the narrator agreed for that, and they went Wets Hill, and they started to take their lunch. After that, they talk about that New Millions, and they spent some times there to show their beautiful greeneries there. And after that, they decided that Bill said that maybe we just search. They reached Lutkins' mother. Bill said that maybe he would be in his mother's house. He just sometimes he hide in the mother's house, but he also informed that Lutkins' mother was very dangerous. She was tall, and they went there. As soon as Bill said that we came here, and he just also told the purpose of that narrator to came there. And after that, Lutkin's mother became very angry. She went inside the house and she has taken a long rod on the stove and she just chased both. Somehow they managed to save themselves, and after that it was the time the narrator came back. It was the time of the afternoon and he wanted to return. Means the narrator wanted to return from the New Orleans and he just came back. As soon as he returned in the city, the manager of that law firm, he scolded a lot to the narrator. He said that we somehow need the Oliver Lutkins because he was the main eyewitness of that incident. So he just the narrator went there again with the person who recognized or identified the Oliver Lutkins. As soon as they reached that on the station, narrator identified that, recognized the Bill, and Bill was talking and laughing with the Oliver Lutkins' mother. He said that he indicated the person who was with him that he was a Bill who helped me a lot. But the humorous thing was that the man who knew Oliver Lutkins, he said that you tomorrow, yesterday, you were with that Oliver Lutkins. The Will, who was the hack driver, who was yesterday with that narrator, he was with that Oliver Lutkins. And after that, both Oliver Lutkins and his mother laughed a lot, and it seemed that the narrator was as if he was 7 years old. So this is the end of that story, and this is a very funny story, the hack driver, and I think you would easily just understand the chapter, and after that we will meet in that next chapter, Bholi. For that, have a good day, nice day.